Hi everyone, we're with Hickory Fire and Life Safety Office, and we know you may be cooking more at home, so we decided to do a cooking safety video. So here we are in the break room of City Hall. As you can see, I have my sleeves rolled up, and that's one of the main safety tips that you should look out for. Roll your sleeves up prior to cooking. So as you can see, we have 2 pots right here on the stove, and if there's ever a fire on this pot, one of the things that you can do is cover the pot. And that is the easiest way to do it, is with a lid. So all you do is cover the pot and surely the fire can go out. But another very, very important thing to do is to turn off that burner. Make sure it is off so that fire will not reignite. Okay? As you can see here, we have another safety tip. Our handle is pulled in and not out, so any of the kids will come by and knock it over, or even ourselves while we're cooking. So make sure they are turned inward. So another safety tip is for all of those who really like to eat cookies. First, we want to get an oven mitt. And as we're getting our cookies out, we want to make sure we are not burning any other part of our body. So here are our cookies, and we don't want to burn any other part of the kitchen either. So we have to put it somewhere where it does not burn. And the stovetop is a perfect place to put it. So now that they're cooled down, we can go ahead and enjoy our cookies. Another thing too is the microwave. Microwave fires happen quite often, and that is because people forget to either put water in their yummy cup noodles, or noodles where they're made in 3 to 4 minutes. So make sure that you put water before you put it in the microwave. And it sounds quite silly, but it has happened before. And as you're taking it out of the microwave, make sure that it is not too hot, or it's not spilling over where you're going to burn your hand. So make sure to be very careful. So we know that the kids are home, maybe they're running around trying to play, trying to find something to do. But once we are cooking, or even if the older kids are cooking, make sure they know this very important rule. As you are at the kitchen, make sure they take 3 steps back. So it's a measure of 3 feet. If you need to, you can also cross out all of this space right here, like we did here in the kitchen, to make sure that they know how far away they have to be safe and not get a burn. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you got some good safety tips, and it'll help remind your kids and yourselves to be safe at home while cooking.